Welcome to Study Loop.
A soup can is in the shape of a cylinder, and if it has a diameter, that's the width of it is 3 3/8 inches, and the height is 4 1/4 inches. We know how many square inches of metal are required to make the soup can. That is the surface area. The surface area of a cylinder, if you think about the top and bottom, is two areas of circles, which is pi times the radius squared. That radius would be half of the diameter. And so if it's 3 3/8, half of that, one way to consider this is 3 3/8 is an improper fraction. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 3 is 27/8. Half of that is 27/16. And so that's the two circles where the radius is 27/16, plus the sides of the can, the lateral, which would be the circumference around the outside of the circle times the height, because it's really a rectangle, the side of the soup can. And so that would be the circumference, which is pi times the diameter, 3 3/8, or 27/8, times the height, 4 1/4, or um, we can call that 17/4 as an improper fraction. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17/4. You could also turn these to decimals if that helps you out, since we're going to the nearest one decimal place anyways. We'll go to the decimals calculator now. 2 pi, a radius of 27/16, squared, plus pi times the diameter, times the height to the nearest decimal would be 60, well, to the nearest tenth would be 63.0 square inches. Depending on if you use 3.14 for pi or not, could also affect this. Sometimes that affects rounding. So if you, it's possible that the correct answer, if this is being submitted online, is 62.9. It all depends if you use an exact value of pi or an approximate value of pi.